Hi friends, hello everyone, and right now we had cooked the rice in the pressure cooker today, and we also fried the papadams. You can see this, the papadam is all ready to eat. So I'm just having the papadam. Crispy. Nice, the Kerala papadam. The papadam is good. The ready-made papadam that you can get it from the market. You can use any papadam. I prefer Kerala papadam. The South Indian papadam. Good. So this I don't want to finish it right now. I want to have this with my lunch. That is with my lemon rice. So this is very tempting for me. I'll keep it aside. Okay. I'll just keep this aside. Well, papadam I have kept it aside, and now we'll go to the next process. That is, we'll start making a lemon. Acha, we need to check the plain rice. That is, we have cooked. So let me check it. So the whistle, all the pressure from all the steam, the pressure inside the pressure cooker has gone out naturally through the whistle. I have not forced open anything. Now it's time for us to check the rice that has cooked inside the pressure cooker. So let's check that. So it's all right. Now it's all right. The pressure is also not there. It's all gone. Oh wow! Wow! Superb! I'll just take a spatula. Well, I can show it to you how good it has turned out to be. This is how it is. Wow, this is far better. I mean, this technique, I liked it. I honestly like this technique. This cooking rice in the pressure cooker seems to be far better. I mean, than open utensil. This is good. It is not cake, nothing. Absolutely fine. The rice is absolutely fine. You see it? Absolutely fine. I'll just taste it. Wow. Okay, good. This is the rice. You can see it's in my hand, and this has turned out to be good. This has turned out to be good. Hmm. Hmm. I think cooking rice in a pressure cooker is far better. That is how I found out, than cooking rice in the open vessel, because absolutely no caking, nothing. Good. Really good. The rice that I've right now cooked in the pressure cooker, the way the rice is cooked up seems to be far better than our previous method. Yes, the cooking of rice in the pressure cooker seems to be far better than cooking rice in an open utensil. This is now a small inference that I'm coming to. I can show it to you once again. See, absolutely there is no caking, nothing. Absolutely no caking. It is all good. There is no caking at all. It has come up in a very good way. The rice has come up in a very good way. Excellent way it has come up. I think cooking rice in a pressure cooker is much better than cooking rice in the open utensil. That is what I think. Anyways, now let us go to the further process of making the full-fledged lemon rice, and before that, let me open this packet. I need to open the packet. I'll open the packet. This ready-made mix that I have, lemon rice, I'll open the packet. Okay. I just opened this ready-made packet lemon rice powder that I. Oh, smell is awesome. It's a great smell, wonderful smell, lovely smell. I can show it to you if you can see the contents inside it. This is how it is. This is how it is. This is the content. The smell is good. I can show it to you once again. This is how it is. This is how it is. I'll take a spoon so that you can have a better look. So this is a. So this is it. This is it. This is it. I can show it to you. This is a ready-made lemon rice powder. This is a ready-made lemon rice powder that I have bought from the market. So this I'll be using. So this is the main, one of the major ingredient, I think, that will be helping us to get all the lemon essence into the rice. So this we'll be using while making our lemon rice. So while continuing the process, now we'll take a pan and then start. We also require some other ingredients. I forgot to show you that. I will show it to you right now. That is, these are the things. Meanwhile, this pressure was going out. I can show it to you with a closer look. So I got these things ready. So I just got under the light. So I got these things ready. That is, this is the urad dal, this is the chana dal, this is the mustard. I used 2 red chili, 2 green chilies, and ginger. I can say it once again. Little bit of urad dal, little bit of chana dal, mustard is there, this is red chili is there, green chili is there, and ginger is there. So these things we'll be requiring while making the lemon rice. So this again, the camera setting, I'm just afraid of mobile. I don't want the mobile to fall. Good. Now this is good. So these are the ingredients. I can show it to you once again. I have the urad dal with me, a little bit of urad dal, a little bit of chana dal, a little bit of 2 green chilies I've taken and I've cut it longitudinally, nicely finely sliced and chopped, sliced and diced ginger, mustard, and red chili. I have cut red chili, 2 red chilies, just cut it longitudinally. So these will be requiring. So first we will take a pan and then we will start our further process. So I have taken a pan, a frying pan, and I'll heat it up. Okay. I want the pan to come to a good heat, and to this pan we'll be adding say around 3 or 4 teaspoons of ghee, and in that ghee we will roast all these ingredients. We'll put 2-3 tablespoons of ghee, and in that ghee we will roast these things, and after roasting we will put our powder, make it a paste, put it a powder, and then we will shift it to the cooker. Now while making the lemon rice, there are 2 things that it's not there right now. That is, you can also if you can get groundnut or the peanut, if you can get a groundnut peanut, you can use that use it in the lemon rice. I mean, that will give more taste. And secondly, curry leaves. Yes, curry leaves also. If you can manage to get curry leaves, you can also use that in making the lemon rice. It will add on to the taste. It will make it more, rich. The lemon rice, it will become more rich with the addition of this groundnut and curry leaves. So this we can do, but I don't have it right now, so no problem. If it's not there, no problem. I can still manage without it. That is it. So again, I have taken ghee. So I'll pour it. Well, I have poured the ghee also. I have poured the ghee, and I'm waiting for it to get hot. And once it is hot, we will put these ingredients into the pan, and we will stew it for a while so that everything turns a little bit golden brown. And after that, we will put the powder, the ready mix powder which we have, and all these things we will shift it to the cooker. So these things we will do. Meanwhile, let me get some water. I'll get some water. And I just brought the water. The ghee is also ready. Now all these ingredients that we have right now, I'll just put it inside the pan. Just put it inside the pan. So the rice is there sticking to it. The ghee gives wonderful smell. Just dump all these things inside the pan. This we need to fry now. Yes, now I'm frying this. I can show it to you from a closer range. This is how it looks. So again, I think I'll put a little bit more ghee into it. I put a little bit more ghee into it. And then this I'm frying. I'll increase the flame. Everything needs to get a little bit golden brown, brownish color, and then we'll be proceeding ahead. Mustard is bursting. The mustard is bursting. Just reduce the flame. Smell is good. Good smell. Nice smell. So there are two ingredients that I have not put here because I didn't have it. One is the peanuts or the groundnut, and second thing is the curry leaves. I didn't have these two ingredients, so I couldn't use it here. But if you can manage to get it, well and good, because that will give a nice rich taste to the lemon rice that we are preparing. If you don't have it, no problem, we can still continue without it. So I can show it to you with a closer look. This is how it looks. I just wanted to turn a little bit golden color, little bit brown color, and after that we can add our ready mix powder to it. This is how it looks. I want it to turn a little bit golden color. After that we can use our ready mix powder. I'll dump all the powder in one go. The powder is here with me. This is the powder with me. This is the powder. This is taking some time. And the powder is ready with me. So this is how it is being made. I'll just increase the flame a little bit. I'll increase the flame. So it is good. And now I'll dump this. Into this pan. The ready-made powder that I have, lemon rice ready-made powder. I'll dump it into the frying pan. It is becoming a kind of paste. I think I need to add more ghee. It is becoming dry. It's becoming more dry. I'll add a little bit ghee to it, and I'll just try to make it a little bit more a kind of gravy kind of thing. Now it's good. Now it is good. Now it is nice. And add some more. Yes. Now it has become nice thick gravy. It has become. This entire process I am doing it on a very low flame. I am not doing it on a very high flame. I am doing it on a very low flame. I can just show it to you how it looks. I am doing it on a very low flame. This is it. I think the paste is ready now. I am not sure about it. I think the paste is ready. Anyways, this is our attempt. So I'll take this, dump it inside the cooker. Just increase it a little bit. Now this entire paste I'm going to dump it in the cooker, inside the pressure cooker. Well, this I'll take it, I'll put it inside this. I'll just put it inside this and I'll take this cooker and mix it nicely. I'm going to mix it. Oh, I think the quantity of rice is too much. The quantity of rice is too much for this lemon rice. I should have taken one more packet of this. I was wrong with the amount of what you call the lemon rice powder, the ready-made powder that I used. I should have taken one more because this is too less for this one glass of water. It's too less for this one glass of water. I'll just mix it nicely, thoroughly. I'll mix it so that you will also be able to see it, how I'm doing it. I'm just mixing it nicely. I'm just mixing it nicely. I'm just mixing it nicely. Okay, it has come up. Now still this is some more there. I'll just put some rice here and just and drain it out from this pan as well. So this also we can do. So this is Save Our Souls, SOS. So this is Save Our Souls attempt. I just got it. The pan, I just cleared it. The pan also, I'll take some more rice from here. Just keep this aside. And just take some more rice from here and just clean the pan. Just clean the pan. Just clean the pan nicely and clean it. Yes, nicely and clean it. Yes, the pan is also clean. The pan is also clean. Now I'll mix the rice. I'll mix it. Now I'll mix the rice. Now I'll mix the rice. That you can see right now what I'm doing. You can see right now what I'm doing. Yes. This you can see I'm mixing it nicely, thoroughly. All the rice inside the cooker that I mixed. And yes. Good, excellent. It has come up so nicely. It has come up so nicely. Yes, yes. It's not bad. It's not bad. Once you start making it, you just learn it. It's not bad. This quantity of rice. I mean, yes, I think this, instead of taking 1 glass of this, I should have taken this much of rice. This much, around 3/4 rice I should have taken. That would have been sufficient for this 50 gram of ready-made lemon powder. So this is it. This is it. I made it. Yes. I'm mixing it nicely. I'm mixing it nicely. You can see it. You can see it. I'm mixing it nicely, thoroughly. Yes. Yes. So this is it. I can show it to you from a closer look. So this is how our lemon under the light. So this is how our lemon rice looks. I mixed it nicely. Well, friends, now it's time for me to have that lemon rice and this papadam. So I'll be tasting it. I'll be having my lunch, and the next session comes up as a third video clip to this, and we will meet in our next session when we have a lunch. And please keep watching and do watch it. I'll just come up with the lunch that we'll have together, and I'll give the reviews, the feedback that how well this has been made. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.